all I can say is one statement. I was there to work, period. Doon lang, trabaho. Trabaho lang. Pumasok ako magtrabaho, labas ako. So that's my humble contribution to
Your
my
simple
country.
lifestyle is made to make the Filipinos really look up at you as an exemplary public servant. And hindi matatago yun. Even if you're not here, I'm saying that to everyone. And that is an exemplary leadership na where you were before, you went on the top, you had all the temptations in life over there, but nothing happened. You stay on your values, tapos pinakita mo ang template of leadership, lalo na dyan sa bandang corruption. Then you went back, the same house, sabi mo, the same pickup, the same lifestyle. Sino yung taong gano'n sa libutan na binigay na lahat sa kanya? But still, you stayed on your course as a simple public servant.